I'm Dr. Craig Pullman, here to talk about spatial ordering, which is thinking in a nonverbal way. This includes interpreting and creating material that is visual or spatial. Because it's nonverbal, spatial ordering is kind of the flip side of language. Spatial ordering is also a contrast with temporal sequential ordering. With sequential information, the pieces of info have to be taken in or generated with a specific serial order, like a number line or a chronology of events. But with spatial ordering, the bits of info are processed all at once as a gestalt, and spatial material doesn't have to be created in a linear way. Examples of spatial material are maps, diagrams for math word problems, geometric figures, models, science diagrams, and artwork. Spatial ordering is important in elementary school in some obvious ways. Students learn shapes, colors, and letter and number names. As language becomes the dominant way that knowledge is transferred in school, spatial ordering's importance becomes less pronounced, but it's still a key player. For example, many students recall punctuation rules as pieces of spatial information, or mental snapshots. In middle and upper grades, spatial ordering is critical for math and science, but it also helps in language arts in terms of something called cognitive cinema. This is the capacity to run a movie in your head that depicts what you're reading. Another aspect of spatial ordering is the organization of space. Students are responsible for organizing notebooks, lockers, desks, and backpacks. They also need to keep track of books, paper, pencils, and other materials. Spatial ordering is one of the thinking constructs and is part of the mind's microprocessor. It needs input from the attention processing controls to do its job. It interfaces with memory, and the attention production controls tend to the downloading of spatial thought, like constructing a diagram in an organized way, rather than rushing through it. Teachers should be aware of how much of their instruction involves spatial ordering. Ask questions like, how effectively do I balance verbal and visual presentation? And what opportunities do my students have to generate spatial material as an alternative to verbal material? Even in middle and high school, individual students may need unique combinations of modalities. I'll see you next time.